everyone, it's EELOFTHEWORLD. I know Christmas is coming up soon, so I thought I'd show you how to make this really simple and easy candy cane cosplay prop. It's very quick, so all you're going to need for this is a red pool noodle or pool spaghetti. Then you're going to need some really thick white masking tape. You're also going to need some clear fishing string. And some white electrical tape. So you're going to take the pool noodle and start wrapping this white masking tape all the way along it in a diagonal way so it creates this nice spirally pattern. Once that's done, you need to take the white electrical tape and repeat the same thing with this. What I did is I put this on the edge of the white masking tape so that it's not overlapping onto the red very much. This just gives it another dimension, so it's got this nice other colour and it's not just plain red and white. If you have red electrical tape, you can also repeat with this, but I just thought it looked better with just the white. Once that's done, you're going to bend the pool noodle at one end. This is quite tricky to do, so you might need to get someone to help you, but I ended up just kind of sitting on it, and that's how I did it by myself. Once you've completed that, you need to take the fishing line and wrap it around the bend that you've made. This does kind of cut into the pool noodle very slightly, so it's better to tie it on parts where the masking tape is so it doesn't actually ruin the noodle itself. You need a lot of layers of this so it stays in place. And that is literally it. It was so quick and easy to do. It's a great last minute prop. This is an easy way to jazz up any cosplay into a Christmas cosplay. It's so quick and easy that you might as well just do it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me if you're going to be doing a Christmas cosplay, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.